Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Reyes. I'm on page 58 of chapter 2. I'm going to quickly go over the vocabulary, and I've already taken all the words and put them with the definitions. So the definitions are on the back page of your paper. So some of these we've already seen. Compare. So we have these symbols right here, greater than, less than, and equal. And they're saying that 241 is greater than 234, 123 is less than 128, and 247 is equal or the same value as 247. We're going to be introducing 100, and there are 10 tens in 100. So when we make the quick picture, we're just going to make a square. We're going to use greater than is 200 is, and 41 is greater than 234. We have our tens. Those are the same. Our digits are our numbers from 0 to 9. The equal sign we've used. Less than, pointing to the left here, 123 is less than 128. And then we're going to talk about 1,000. So 1,000, there are 10 hundreds in 1,000. Oops. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to page 57 in your book, lesson 2.1. Let me get my pen on here. And we're going to be talking group tens as hundreds. So essential question, how do you group tens as hundreds? So we're going to be circling the group of tens, count the group of tens. So we're going to come through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want you to go through and I want to circle all the groups of 10. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to wait for you to be done. And how many groups of 10 do we have? Let's see, we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 groups of 10, which equals 1,000. We're going to go and turn the page to the top part of page 58, model and draw. So 10 tens is the same as 100. So we have our 10 tens here. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 10 there. And that equals to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So come over here and write 10 tens, or one, same as 100, or 100 with double zero. Share and show on the same page, page 58. Write how many tens. Circle the group of 10 tens. Write how many hundreds, and then write the number. So they've already circled the 10 tens here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. We're going to circle that. We're going to circle this group of tens. We have 10, 20 tens, so go ahead and write 20 tens, which equals to 200 or 200. Okay, we're on the same page, and we're on the bottom part of page 58. Again, we're going to be following the directions. We're going to write how many tens, where that equals in hundreds and hundreds. So these are already counted out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to circle that group of tens, this group of tens, and this group of tens. And we have 10, 20, 30 tens, which equals to 1, 2, 300 or 300. Okay, let's go down to lesson check number 3. Again, they've already been separated. See the separation here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So circle all the tens. Excuse me, all the hundreds. All the hundreds. One more down here. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40 tens, which equals to 1, 2, 3, 400, or hundreds, or 400. Okay, number 4, let's go ahead and circle all our tens that make 100. So go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 50 tens, which equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds, or 500. Okay, we're going to go ahead to turn the page to page 59 on your own. Again, write how many tens, circle the group of tens, write how many hundreds, and write the number. So again, they've already made these in groups of tens for you, so you just have to go through and circle them. Okay. I hope you're writing neater than I am. This is really hard to write with the stylus. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to go through and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 70 equals 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, or 700. Okay, number 6. Again, go through and circle all your groups of 10. One more. And I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 tens, or 600s. There's 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600s, or 600. Okay, we're on the bottom of page 59. We have, let's circle all of our groups of tens that are in groups of hundreds. There's a lot of them this time. Whoop, one more. Okay, and now we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 tens. And I have 900s, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900s, or 900. Okay, we're on number 8. And I'm going to show you a little video on this. So when you see, if you get stuck and you have your book at home, you can actually watch a video. Well, I'm going to do that one for this one. So let's go ahead and read the story for us.
No, there isn't. Oh, okay, whatever. Believe whatever you like. How about we do our math? Oh, I say yes! Great. Wally has 400 cards.
Okay.
400.
400, that's a lot of cards.
Yep. Now, how many stacks of 10 cards can he make? Let's take a look at one stack of 10.
Oh, yes.
We've seen these before, yeah?
Oh, I love those.
Now, let's pretend this is a stack of 10 of his cards.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm pretending.
Now, how many of those stacks of 10 can he make from 400 cards?
Well, can we count?
Sure, let's count. Okay, let's count to 100 first. Okay, so here's 10.
There's
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100!
Oh, wow!
Good job. So what we have here is 10 stacks, and that makes 100.
Right.
Now, what we want to know is how many stacks will make 400.
how many stacks will make 400?
So
We got a lot of counting to do.
Yes, but you know what? We already counted this group of 10 tens. So what we're going to do is just bring on another group of 10
Oh, right, because we already know. Oh, you're so smart.
Thank you so much. Now, this is another 100, isn't it?
Yes, it
okay. So
Right,
then
yeah.
we're going to bring on another one. How many of these should we bring on? What do you think?
Well, wait, what was the question again?
Well, he has 400 cards. How many cards do we have right now? 100, 200, 300.
We have 300 cards. Wait,
Yes.
So we need one more.
One more 100. That's right.
Yes.
Okay. And so that is another 100. Okay. Great. So we have 400 cards on the screen, all organized into stacks of 10.
Yes.
The question is, how many stacks of 10 are there? Okay. Well, how many stacks of 10 were there here?
Well, there's 10 stacks in 100.
That's exactly
That's
right.
correct,
There
right?
were 10. Oops. I'm going to use a different color just to emphasize what we're doing here. So this is 10 stacks right here, right? 10 stacks
Yes.
of 10.
Yes, it is.
10 stacks of 10. And over here, in this group, we have another 10 stacks of 10, right?
Yes, we do.
And another over
And
here.
another there.
And another
And then
over
one more
here.
there.
So, if this is 10, 10,
20.
20, 30, 40. So the answer to the question is he can make 40 stacks of 10 cards with his 400 cards. So so there are 400s or 40 stacks of 10.
Thanks, Professor Rena. That was interesting.
You're very welcome. You're so smart.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so that cute little video gave us the answers. So we have 40 stacks of 10 cards. Okay, good. We're going to go to page 60. So go ahead and turn the page. And we're going to use kind of the same idea. Solve, write, or draw to explain. So Mrs. Martin has 80 boxes of paper clips, and there are 10 paper clips in each box. How many paper clips does she have? So I'm going to do kind of the same thing. So Mrs. Martin has 80 boxes of paper clip, and in each one there's 10 paper clips. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to start counting by tens and up to like for my boxes. So I have 80 boxes. So 80 boxes here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes so far. 10 boxes. But he has 80 boxes. So if I were to, I'm going to make this into a square. That's boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and make 7 more squares. Here's my squares, and each one has 10 boxes, right? 10 boxes, and each box has 10 paper clips. So let's see. I'm going to run out of room, I think. I'm going to come over here and make more. So I have 10 boxes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so here I have my 80 boxes, and each one is going to have each box has 10 paper clips. Now I'm going to start counting by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Oh wow, there are 800 paper clips. That's a lot of paper clips. I'm sorry, I'm not writing as neat. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down to the bottom part of page 60. Okay, think smarter. Pencils are sold in boxes of 10 pencils. Mr. Lee needs 100 pencils. He has 40 pencils already. How many boxes of 10 pencils does he need to buy? So let's read it one more time. So pencils are sold in boxes of 10. Okay. And Mr. Lee needs 100 pencils. He has 40 pencils. How many boxes of 10 pencils should he buy? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and just do my 10 pencils in each box because he needs 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how many he needs. But he already has 40, so I'm going to cross out 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many more boxes of pencils does he need to buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more boxes. Okay, your homework is going to be page 60, A and B.